Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to display FPS in games. If you're a gamer, you may have heard the term FPS, which stands for frames per second. FPS is an important factor in determining the overall performance of your game. In this video, we'll show you how to display FPS in your games. So, whether you're a casual or a hardcore gamer, stick around and learn how to easily track your FPS in games and optimize your gaming performance.
So first, open your internet browser and search for MSI Afterburner and make sure it's the official website of MSI. Click on Download Afterburner and wait until downloading is finished. Open the folder and open the program. Click on Yes. Hit Next and next I accept the terms. And make sure that you've checked that box because it's important. Next. Next. Install. And wait a little bit. Click OK. Next. I accept the terms. Next. Install. And also wait a little bit. It's okay if this window didn't show up to you. Okay, and let's go to the settings. Monitoring. Scroll down. Check frame rate. Click on the first option. You can name it as you want. Apply. And here you go. And that's it for our tutorial on how to display FPS in games. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful in optimizing your gaming experience. Remember, monitoring your FPS is essential for getting the best possible performance out of your games. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. Thank you for watching, and happy gaming!